I have friends. I remember when I started my career in 2004 5, I started my salary per annum around 2,70,000, right? But things have changed. India has made a lot of progress. Uh, Now we are a fastest growing economy and large, I think, fourth largest economy in the world, right? So a lot of people are getting a lot of salary in India, and I'm going to share with you the different roles that exist and each of their salary range that as far as I know, right? Software developer who is essentially around 2 to 3 years or 2 to 4 years of experience in India, getting a salary range from 7 lakhs per annum to 12 lakhs. Of course, that depends upon number of factors, how he perform in the interview, what kind of organization he uh, belongs, and so on and so forth, right? So software developer will get around 7 to uh, 12 lakhs per annum. Similarly, data analyst or role is also a very prominent in India, where primarily we will involve in analyzing the data and giving some insights. So that role is also growing up, and the salary range will be by and large the same what I have said in the case of software developer. I think data scientists and AI, which is also a prominent role in industry today, considering the artificial intelligence that is bringing more predictive analyzing, forecasting, and many more uh, uh, kind of a very highly end analytics, data analytics that it is able to bring, and able to understand the pattern of data and gives more and more insight, which is valuable for the organizations. So primarily AI and data scientists has slightly higher range, probably 10 to 15 lakhs that they are getting with the 2 to 4 years of industry experience, right? But then there will be edge cases where if somebody is able to crack in such a high-end organizations like Google, Microsoft, and all, up where the salary range will be much higher than the average salary that he or she is getting, right? So what I have covered till now is, I think, software developer, data analysis, and AI and data scientist role, right? And the cloud engineer, I think I have discussed last time, which is also one of the growing field in IT industry because of the lot of on-prem environment is moving into the cloud. So cloud engineer is also getting a good package considering the demand that we have, right? So same salary range. If you have a 2 to 4 year experience, it will be around 7 to 12 lakh. If you have 5 years more experience, then you will get more salary, probably above 15 lakhs, right? So that does not mean that as your experience grow, your salary is going to be double. It is not. There are certain uh, 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 level by which you will not increase much, because industry cannot afford that much of salary range considering the large number of employee that organizations have, right? Of course, the few startup who have maybe 30 40 employees, there will be no standardization in salary, but then equally it will be job threat. If something goes wrong, then you will be in trouble, right? So larger organization will have a standard salary range, who is, as I said, of course, 7 to 15 lakhs by and large for software developer, data scientist, cloud engineer, and AI role. So cybersecurity is also very prominent demand, but then cybersecurity is also a very important area which you can focus and get the salary range slightly higher, like AI and data scientist role. This is my perspective today. Let me know what you think. But more importantly, I think working towards learning and getting a good role and continuously improving in the area that you are working is the more expected here as far as IT market is concerned. Thank you.